morning, y'all. Welcome back to another day of the Swole Miss Marathon, where I bring y'all a vlog damn near every day until we get to Houston and beyond. You know what I'm saying? So today I've been up early. I ain't gonna lie, I've been up past since turning the camera on because I actually am getting some exhaust work done. If y'all cannot see, I got a lot of boxes in my apartment right now just because we got a lot of stuff. Yo, what the? Hey, what? Why did this monitor just turn on out of nowhere, bro?
I'm telling y'all, my house be paranoid, bro. It's time to get up out of here, bro. Turn this shit off.
But like I was saying, I have been doing a lot of work to my car recently because if y'all didn't know, I was trying to get a new car. Long story short, that's not happening no more. So I figured I might as well finish the Venom build. We might as well max out the build. So as y'all can see, we got some boxes right here. Y'all seen me install the wheels on my last video, but we also got an exhaust because I dropped the clip right here of what the sound my exhaust has been making, and it happened the first time because I don't know what it is. My car is a 22. But when I bought it, it had a different exhaust on there, like an aftermarket one already. But apparently what it looks like is whoever put that exhaust on there put some bullshit on there. They put some nonsense on there. So me, I've been driving it and everything. I lifted it up one time to see under there because it was making this noise. Apparently the muffler was cracked. So they had to weld it back together. It was like, this is a temporary fix. This should hold me over. And I said, if it starts happening again, I'm going to go ahead and buy the exhaust that I would have bought if I bought the car stock. I was going to put an exhaust on there anyway. So it started making a sound again. It literally started making a sound again. If y'all can't hear by the video. And it literally sounds like rocks rattling around in a tin trash can. You know what I'm saying? And I hate it. I hate it. I hate driving it because my car is already so loud. So it just amplifies the sound even more. So I dropped the car off this morning at Custom Complete Automotive here in town. And I am going to get it back right now. It's been there since like 7 a.m. I wanted to go early because I'm impatient. When I get stuff in, I want it to be done right then and there. You know what I'm saying? So I got there at 7 a.m. I was like, yo, I'm finna drop the car off. Let me know what y'all can do. They said they could do it. I'm like, boom, okay, I'm gonna leave and I'm gonna come back. So I'm heading over there right now. I think my Uber is outside. And I can't wait to show out what the car is sounding like. I'm about to head over there now. I'm gonna switch to the phone though because my camera's about to die. I'm gonna put it on the charger. But with that being said, man, welcome back to the December Swole Miss Marathon. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, share the video with a friend. Let's get into it, man. Here it is. Y'all can see the new tips on there. But it's not just new tips, it's a full new exhaust, Borla, as y'all can see. I'll get more into it when we get back home, but for now, we're gonna hear what it sounds like. So I had them come back in here and redo something because the tips were a little off, but we got everything squared away now, so about to pull it out. I ain't gonna lie, it sounded mean. He just revved it and oh my goodness, it sounds good. And I love the black tips, the chrome ones, because before they were like a matte kind of like machine, not really finished, but now it's a lot better. Y'all, I don't know what it is about getting stuff done to your car, but like, it just make it feel brand new, bro. I don't know what it is. So we got the exhaust put on, as y'all can see. I'm about to show y'all what it sounds like in every different mode because obviously I can tell even driving now. I put it on quiet when I was on my way here because I didn't want to wake up no neighbors, nothing like that. I put it on quiet and bro, I can hear the difference in the exhaust. Obviously inside the car as well, the drone is not as loud like as the one I had before. You can hear it. Every time you step on the gas, you hear it. But now it's like, I barely even know if my car is that loud outside because on the inside, you don't hear nothing. So let me show y'all what it looks like quiet and what it sounds like as well. But I'm gonna switch it to sport and then try it and show you what it sounds like too. So as y'all can see, it's on quiet right now. So we got all of the flaps closed. And on my last car, it was only like one flap. Now, what do you mean my last car? On my last exhaust, it was only one flap that like went closed. This one you can see it's like two that covers the whole entire thing. Cause this is the one right here, if you didn't know, is the one that makes the most noise. When it's on quiet, it only comes out of one exhaust. And same thing on the other side. So I'm about to set it down and show you what it sounds like when you rev it. So like I said, on quiet, you can barely hear anything. But we put it on sport and put it on track so y'all can really hear what it sounds like. am impressed. I am thoroughly pleased. Borla Attack did this thing. I ain't gonna lie. So if y'all didn't know, I have the Borla Attack exhaust. I think that's the first time I've said that. But yeah, y'all. Yeah, I'm liking it. I can't even lie to you. So we got it in track right now. I'm about to just go pull down this little street right here just so we can go back to our apartment and show y'all what it sounds like. Because, yeah. And show y'all the drone on the inside of the car too. It's wet out here though, so I ain't gonna go too crazy, you know what I'm saying? But, all right, listen. Yeah. I am impressed. So let's go back inside before I get in trouble. Y'all, so a little bit of time has gone by since I've got my exhaust and everything installed this morning. I'm about to head to the gym right now. I put my camera on the charger so I can record this workout for y'all. I'm hitting shoulders and maybe a little bit of chest today. I put my camera on the charger. I plugged it into the wrong cord because as y'all can see, I got two cords right here. One of them is plugged in, the other one is not. So I plugged my camera into the one that wasn't plugged into nothing. So now my camera's at 4%, and I left my chargers for like my camera and my extra batteries, everything. I left it in Houston, and they haven't made them up here yet because I asked them to ship it to me. They ain't shipped it to me yet. So I don't know if I'm gonna be able to record this workout. I'm gonna try my best. I'm gonna try to charge the camera and everything like that. But as y'all can see, it ain't much been going on. It must be going on. That's the problem with being here and being in Colombia. And like, I know we said we got a lot of stuff planned, but like, some days it just don't be nothing going on. Like, honestly, some days it don't be nothing going on. Like, I showed y'all as much as I could this morning because I went there without my camera. Low-key forgot to record. Came back here and was like, okay, let me start recording. You know what I'm saying? But now, nothing is really happening. That's why I want to show y'all this workout. But it just so happened, my damn camera is dead. Okay, so maybe that's just God telling me we don't need to record nothing today. But obviously, it's Friday. You know what I'm saying? We got some more stuff going on this weekend. I may be hitting the bros tonight, so I may end up taking y'all there. But for right now, we're about to head to the gym. As y'all can see, the fit is the same as this morning. I just got this Gymshark tracksuit on because it's raining. It's bad outside. But I do have on the new shorts. The new Gymshark mesh shorts. Y'all should go definitely take a look at these. They were on sale for Black Friday, so y'all didn't tap in. You missed out. I ain't gonna lie, they was like $25, you know what I'm saying? But they may be like $45, $60 now, okay? Like, you missed the sale. You could have tapped in. But for our pre-workout of the day, I'm going with the sour Mike and Nike My Pro right here. I promise you, this is the best flavor that I have tried yet. I only got 4. I only got Rocket Pop, I got peach rings, and I got pineapple mango. It's the only ones I got. But so far, this sour watermelon Mike and Nike collab has been the one. Link in the description if you want to check that out. But like I said, we head into the gym now. So right after this, you may see a workout. You may not. Who knows? We'll see.
The only hoe I'm trying to see right now is a whole lot of money. Y'all can keep the rest of that shit.
It just got real. Say how you feel. Got niggas mad. Nigga, that's too bad. Off of my dick, I got them stressed out. Look at me, I'm blessed now. Tell them I'm the best out. Giving nothing less, bitch, you guessed it. See my third eye. You see my halo. Untamed, no cage, ho. Flip it through the payroll. I'm about my banknotes. Nigga, look, they taking those. What the fuck we waiting on? It's what I prayed for, right? Black, tell them back. Bitches high, get my lick back. On the get back. They won't hit me, get the last laugh. I'm the last. Standing all 10 in the grass patch. Running cash grab, yeah. I'm off the medicine. They on the sedatives. Niggas finna settle it. I'm him, no questioning. Up late, no rest again. Them niggas ain't threatening. This what I invested in. Bring the blasting in, yeah. If somebody told you that they know me, then they told your ass a story. Keep my business on the low key, yeah. If you fuck me, then for shorty. If you not, then it's a problem. I'm the source, we get it sorted, yeah. If you know me, you the homie. If you don't, let's keep it cordial. Keep my mentions on the low key, yeah. If you for me, then for shorty. If you for me, can you show me? Way up near the asteroids, rapping like the writtens do. I'm getting to the cash, boy. The average, I keep adding to my name across to the tabloid. I don't stress fame, but if I want, I could turn me into a household name. Way out of line, still in my lane. Heavy foot in the game. I'm big stepping in the flesh, bitch. I get better with age. Trapping my aim, then pressing play to hit my life. I'm never selling my soul. Get to the dollar off a dream. Tryna grip what I'm owed. I never fold, I keep it calm. They wanna rise out of me. I keep it glacier, cut you off soon as I see the first sign that you not for me. In alignment with the gods and the kings. And I want everything, bitch, I need that payoff. She say she wanna dip out to Barbados. I'm still trying to comprehend what's a day off. Been moving hella careful, you see what they did to take off. I'm protecting my peace, and I've been chefing this heat. I've been revving the pistons, I've been one with the vision. If somebody told you that they know me, then they told your ass a story. Keep my business on the low key, yeah. If you fuck me, then for shorty. If you not, then it's a problem. I'm the source, we get it sorted. Yeah. If you know me, you the homie. If you don't, let's keep it cordial. Keep my mentions on a low key. Yeah. If you for me, then for shorty. If you for me, can you show me?
I like getting lost in the carousel of my own mind.
Yeah, I really like that. I feel like that.
I've had my camera on the charger this whole time, but finished with just enough battery to get through the entire workout. So hope y'all enjoyed that one. I don't know if I'm about to record anything for the rest of the night, but Washington is playing Oregon tonight, so I'm about to go home and watch that. And I know tomorrow is college football Saturday, so that's probably what we're gonna be on all day. But for right now, I'm about to leave the gym. Good session, as y'all can see. Shoulders is pumped. Let's get up out of here.